Da, 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 da.
Guys, we are back in Dubai Mall because you can't just shop enough. You can't shop enough. So we're back here. Oh, look at Elisab. It's Elisab right there.
How nice if I just could let you in, let you in. I know you could be my remedy, remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I knew you could be my remedy.
I have this exact plant at home in my balcony. This exact one. If only I could carry stuff like this, but they are so heavy. I really would have loved to carry stuff like this because they are more affordable here than in Nigeria.
If I tell you how I feel, would you be good to me? Good to me. How nice if I just could let you in.
Are you sure there isn't time? Are you sure? Look at them worrying up. Hey, what the lock me inside? from our nights out. Well, our nights out, by our nights out I mean myself and Hamsatu. Get there. Yeah, our mommy came back home to come and rest. Our mommy had that came back to come and rest and left Hamsa and I to go and enjoy. She came back. By the time we came back, mommy had cleaned up the whole place. Ah, mommy. Mommy. Oh my god. But we had fun, Sha. DJ was giving us Nigerian music back to back to back, back to back to back. Back to back. Back to Good night out. This is like what now? Almost 3:30. Wow. It's almost 3:30 a.m.
Remaining 3:45.
Look at this gear.
Let's go and find 3:45 in Dubai.
The DJ was firing us. He now changed song. After firing us for like 45 minutes straight, he now gave us another type of song. We now said, okay, let us go now. We have tried. As we reached the door, what did we hear? Yeah, yeah. Hey, we're like, yeah. It was fun. Let me sleep. I have a bit of a long day tomorrow. Make I off makeup, sleep a big. Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. So yesterday night was awesome. My girls and I went to a place called the Pods here in Dubai. So it's like fine dining, but a little bit of a touch. So they had like all of these little corners that were shaped like pods. So you had like a private dining experience, you know, and all of that. And it was really, really nice. It was actually fine dining. So of course, price was steep, but it was an experience that I really wanted to have. And thankfully, the food matched the price. And it was so yummy. It was a very nice experience. The pods and everything is just a very nice touch. Like, I love how this country just puts thought into every single thing. Every restaurant owner, every business owner in this country knows that you cannot just do the ordinary, because the ordinary does not sell here. Okay, that's just it. It has to be different, if you get what I mean. Then from there, Dutch left us and came back to the hotel, to the apartment, and Hamsa and I went ahead and went into a lounge and had drinks and just had a good night out for like an hour plus before we now came back finally to the apartment. So it was a very good day. Well, it was a very good night yesterday, because during the day we did what did we do during the day? Yeah, during the day we had our yachts, our morning yachts thing, which was so beautiful. You guys should have seen that. I don't know whether that was in a different vlog or this vlog, but the yacht experience was just luxurious. It was just luxury. Pardon me guys, but I didn't come to Dubai to just be looking around. I didn't come to Dubai to come and just be sleeping, resting. I came for a proper holiday. I'm here for a proper holiday, and I wanted to have a full experience. I think I've only gone to the market once. I didn't even spend up to 1 hour. I even left them there and I went for my waka. And the market we went to was not even a proper market. It was a market that had complexes. It wasn't like a proper market. Okay, that was the first day we arrived. I didn't come here to come and go to markets. I didn't come here to come and be going to only safari and markets. That's not why I came here. I came here to have a full holiday experience. And I'm super glad that I'm able to do everything I want to do and experience new things and all of that. So yes, I have gone to that market once. I didn't even buy anything in that market. They were the ones that bought a lot of stuff, but I didn't buy anything. I just escorted them there. Everything I bought in this town, I bought in different malls. Okay, that's, for me, that's the holiday experience. You know, going to the malls, experience the city in its finest. Like, for me, that is what a holiday is all about. So no market runs for me, please. I cannot be doing market runs in Abuja and come here and be doing market runs. No way. Today, however, one of my followers is hosting me today. Well, not like hosting me, but like she's taking me out today. And might I add that I got a lot of DMs the moment I put up that I was going to Dubai, or that I was in Dubai. I got a lot of DMs from people who live here, wanting to host me, take me out, do this for me, and it's just amazing and just so sweet. In my head, I was like, oh my god, my schedule will not allow me to see everybody. She would have done meet and greet like this now. She would have just done meet and greet at this point. But I know that my schedule will not allow me to see everybody. I was able to squeeze in time today to see this amazing lady who is taking me out today. We're going to the Wild Wadi water park. I do know I wanted to go to at least one water park, and she's taking me there today. I'm super excited for that, which is why I am dressed in full tourist mode. No makeup, because I was on makeup throughout yesterday. From morning, during the yacht, everything, came back refreshed, took off the makeup, wore that makeup. So today is makeup free day for me. I'm wearing this, my colorful dress from Shein. You guys would have seen this before in my on my vlogs or something. And I'm wearing sneakers because I don't know how the waka is going to be, so I'm actually wearing sneakers. I don't want to take it unawares. And yeah guys, I'm super excited. So let's go have fun today. All right, let's go have fun. And her husband are amazing, you guys.
Wow.
I'm here in the flesh.
You will not see her. I'm stealing her. Like I'm stealing her.
Oh my god. Guys, we just met Alexa, and she's an Afro dancer. She does, yes, come on. Hey.
Can we do another one, please? No, the outfit is not. Are you coming in or you're done? I'm going for myself.
Oh, you're going, okay. It's cold. Wow, my turn. So we are done from the water park and we had an amazing time. Like we had an amazing time.
I said,
girl is great vibes.
I said if we can do that jump, Alma, there is nothing I can do in this life anymore.
I swear. The ride
anything.
That last ride.
Tell me to jump from the helicopter. I will do it. That was crazy.
I never knew I had liver like this today. Oh.
That was crazy. I'm all
telling
shouting.
you.
Should I open your
Yes,
bubble?
open it.
I'm all shouting. Jesus, 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 Jesus. I cannot be Jesus saying Jesus is in heaven. Don't disturb him. It was crazy. Honestly, we didn't want to do that.
We didn't want to do it, but when
you saw that lady that was
when we were
dancing
seeing smaller girls entering, the girl the Afrobeat dancer, when she did it after being scared, we were like, nah, we can do this.
No, there's no
and we did it, and we were like, what?
I did it.
I legit thought I was going to die.
And I thank God we have a video, so like anybody say I didn't do it, I have
proof.
I have proof. We did it with our
pictures. Yeah. Thank you so much for your love video. Guys, go and check her out.
A vibe. What you see on her channel is what you see live. See, her skin is popping, number one. Number two, her vibes is good vibes. Yes. I love, in fact, it just feels like I've known you for years. You won't believe that we're just seeing for the first time.
So sweet.
And it's so sad that I want you to stay.
Want me to stay?
Anyone that's watching this video, let's get Alma to do a meet and greet in Dubai.
Hey.
Please.
It's gonna happen.
It's gonna be lit.
It's gonna happen.
It's gonna be lit.
I prophesy it right now.
Amen. It's gonna be lit because most of us here, we don't have anywhere to go. Like we are looking for parties. We want to dress up and go somewhere. Right?
So meet a day with Almangu Dubai
in
edition.
Dubai.
It's coming, it's coming. Okay guys, please check her out. Okay, her YouTube channel name is Joy Airbo. I will leave it on the screen. Check her out. She's amazing. She's so great vibes and I love her.
Alma is going somewhere else to enjoy. Alma, enjoyment don't go kill this girl.
I did not come here to come and dump myself. I was telling them today that I did not come here to go to a market, and go to safari only. No. I came here to enjoy myself.
Even she wait for our vlogs, like she's giving us back to back.